Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I am Safa Bakhtiar, a student in Narayana Junior College, and I am here to share my views on dowry as I am up against it. Dowry is a form of wedding gift prevalent in India, which is also called as price of the groom. In India, dowry system is supposed to act as a security blanket for married women because of marital problems or abandonment by husband. It was treated as an emergency fund set up by the bride's father and brothers. Usually includes cash and valuables or jewelry or immovable property. To me, it does not make sense. Why does the bride side have to give dowry? What is so important anyway with this dowry? Is it going to assure that the bride and the groom is going to live happily forever after? No. Over a period of time, the abuse of dowry practices developed in India to the extent that it has become the biggest problem women were subjected to. Many marriages strained because of dispute over dowry during the 1980s, and numerous cases of burning brides were reported in the media where newly wedded girls either committed suicide or were burnt alive by their in-laws due to dowry. And as the women in India got more educated, many of them thought that the system of dowry was demeaning to women. The Indian courts have banned the practice in 1961, forgetting that it is indeed a strongly rooted tradition. The practice of dowry from the bride to the groom will only stop with cooperation from everyone, inshallah. We, the youth and the young adults, have to take this seriously and do some serious dawah to our parents too about what's Islamic and what's merely a cultural practice. Meher is a must for marriage to be Islamically accepted and is given from the groom to the bride. Of course, there are some marriages that happen upon a $1 meher. I guess it mostly depends on the soul of the person and the intention of the marriage. Did one plan to marry for the sake of Allah, or for the sake of getting away from fitna or zina, or did they do for worldly gains? And the Quran says in Surah Al-Nisa, chapter number 4, and give to the women whom you marry their meher with good heart. Say what? If one wishes to revive one's Islamic knowledge, Tawheed is the place to start, inshallah. It would clear many doubts. Dowry should be abolished. It is the reason why baby girls are buried as soon as they are born or aborted after a scam. Even Muslims do this in India. Astaghfirullah. It is the reason why husbands pour petrol on their wives because their fathers couldn't afford to pay back all the dowry. It is the reason why many fathers have incurred huge debts just to be able to marry one of their daughters. It is the reason for the spinsterhood of many women. I can't believe it's so prevalent among us Muslims. Even the so-called practicing ones are saying that it is not wrong. It is an ancient Indian practice, and even Hindus today are campaigning for it to be abolished. How come we are still clinging on to this tradition then? Lastly, I pray Allah that He opens our hearts and our minds and guides us on the straight path, and inshallah we'll soon have a society free of dowry. Thank you.